Hey guys, we are going to inside in El Jazzar Mosque. So samahan nyo ako guys at ating puntahan ang loob ng lugar na ito. So let's go inside to see what inside. So this is
yes, you can visit.
Okay, this is the mosque, big mosque. So this is the area of the place. This is Akko, guys. This is the place. Hello guys, some trivia. You see that kids after they believe that some of the birds here, birds of Muhammad, is found in that kids, and then Muhammad is the one who started the Muslims religion. So in this you can find it here inside in this mosque in Akko.